This is going to be a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party because Delhi court has framed formal charges of attempt to murder, unlawful assembly and criminal conspiracy against their former corporator and Delhi Riots accused Tahir Hussain. The court noted that there was evidence on record to show that Tahir Hussain was instigating others to teach, quote, Hindus a lesson. Remember, many incriminating videos had come out after the Delhi Northeast riots of 2020 in the backdrop of the agitation against CAA. And initially, not just Tahir Hussain, but even the party attempted to brush off the charges against him. But certainly, since then, they've realized he's in obviously big soup and his role is becoming clearer. My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar tracks the courts very closely, is joining us. Ananya, tell us more of what the court has said and what are the sections now framed against Tahir Hussain?
Shivani, sections of attempt to murder, instigation and in fact unlawful assembly have been framed against Tahir Hussain and various other persons. The basic contention that has been raised by the court while framing these formal charges is that there is particular evidence on record to show that the mob, the unlawful mob, in fact, wanted to kill Hindus, and that's the reason why indiscriminate firing was done. And one person had actually lost his life, was about to lose his life, but then he was saved even after serious injury. That's the reason the 307, that is attempt to murder charge, has come in against Tahir Hussain and 3 other accused persons. But now what is very, very important to note also, Shivani, is that Tahir Hussain, after the framing of these formal charges, has pleaded not guilty and has claimed trial. So now a trial in this case would actually begin, and there would be arguments and counter-arguments. There would be cross-examination of all the witnesses and evidence into this particular case. And then we'll get to see whether or not Tahir Hussain would be liable for a charge of attempt to murder, or whether he will be convicted into this particular case or not. Because remember that this is not the only case against him. There are almost 30 FIRs registered against Tahir Hussain, which also include one of the FIRs, which is 59 of 2020, which is relating to the larger conspiracy that had led to the shaking of the National Capital's Northeast District, killing almost 56 people. So this larger conspiracy case also, Tahir Hussain will be prosecuted, and we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out. But at this moment of time, this is a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party and also for Tahir Hussain.
All right, Ananya, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining us.